Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a unit second, that is genetics, and chapter number 5, principle of inheritance and variation. Here, what is the mean by genetics? Genetics is a branch of biology in which we deals with the chromosome and inherited character or aspects related to chromosomes. Genetics is a branch of biology which deals with chromosomes and aspects related with chromosomes. Here we are going to talk about the word inheritance. Inheritance or heredity. What's the mean by inheritance or heredity here? Transmission of characters from one generation to another generation. Means a character from parents to offspring, or we can say here characters transfer from parents to offsprings. Means a parent transfers character to their offspring. Means we are getting character from our parents and they getting their character from grandparents, and we transfer our character to our incoming offsprings. So that's why the transmission of characters from one to another generation or successive generation is called heredity. When we are going to talk about genetics, we just strike a name, that is Mendel. Mendel is known as father of genetics. That is Gregor John Mendel. Mendel was born on 22nd of July 1822. Why Mendel called as a father of genetics? There was a reason behind it. Because first of all, Mendel elaborate about the transmission of character or about the inheritation from one to another generation. So that's why he is now known as the father of genetics. And the amazing thing is that he worked, we will talk it about work. He worked on pea plant. Pea plant. That is garden pea. The name is Pisum sativum. Pisum sativum. he worked about 6 years. Death. 18. 84. After 16 years of his death, after 16 years, three different scientists who again discovered about Mendelian work from different places, and they are Hugo de Veres, Correns, and Mark. Here T is silent. They are the three. They were regenerated or re-experimented on Mendelian work. Now the question is that 1900. Now the question is that why Mendelian work was not to be appreciated on that time. After his death, he named as a father of genetics. Failure of Mendel's work. First reason, he was not a biologist. It was an interesting question on that time that he was not a biologist. Then what did he do? Actual, he was a mathematician. Second, he published his work in local publications. That's why it's also a reason that his work was not to be recognized on that time. Third is there were two ecologists, that was Lamarck, Jean-Baptiste de Lamarck, and Darwin, Charles Darwin, and they were debating on the topic with Lamarckism and Darwinism, because Lamarck was saying that Lamarck was saying that the characters which are inherited are on the basis of use and disuse method, whereas Darwin saying the characters which were inherited or evolved on the basis of their needed. Fourth one, Mendel used factor the place of gene. There was an important point. Use that some factor were transferred from one to another generation, but all these biologists know that they were not to be a factor in anything. They were gene which were transferred from one to another generation. So that's why they are the work that's main work Mendel failures on that time. Why did Mendel used pea plant? There are the various consequences on the basis that we can say Mendel used pea plant. First of all, short lifespan, 3 to 4 months. Second is the pea plant means Pisum sativum. We are discussing about Pisum sativum. On a pea plant, there are 3 to 4 months of lifespan. Second is pea plant having the characteristic that it will undergo cross pollination as well as self pollination. So it occur cross pollination and self pollination. Third, variable characters or variable character, contrasting characters. How many characters used by Mendel on a pea plant? There are 7 characters which were found by the Mendel on a pea plant. The character were character on the chromosome, on which chromosome the character represent, dominant and recessive. Character first, height. Height means pea plant either tall or short. So we used here tall and dwarf or short. We generally use the word dwarf here. And chromosome number is 4 here. Second is flower. Flower position. Flower position. Flower may be on axial or terminal. Terminal. What's the meaning of axial and terminal here? If we are assuming that it's a plant and they are the branches of this plant, where a flower on that position is called terminal position, and when the flower are on that positions or in between, it's called axial position. Clear is it? And again the chromosome number is a 4 here. Flower color here. Flower may be a purple or white, and some book it is written as a colored flower or white flower. Chromosome number is a 1 here. on first chromosome on the Pisum sativum, it is coded for flower color. Next one is pod shape. Pod means outer envelope or cotyledonous in which seeds are present. Means when we open this leafy structure here, we just observe that on that position pea seeds are located. So that's called pod, and these are seeds. And pod shape is inflated and contractile. Inflated and contractile. And here the chromosome number is 5. Wait. Here the chromosome number is 4. Pod color. Pod may be a green or yellow. What is the meaning of here contractile and inflated? I will discuss it later. Pod color. Next of all, seed shape, seed color. Pod color, seed shape, that is round, wrinkled. Seed color just reversible to the seed pod color, that is green, so that's why here yellow. That's yellow, that's a green here. The chromosome number are for a pod color, that's a 5, seed shape 7, seed color 1 here. Now we are discussing here inflated and contractile. Inflated means just to be like that, and a contractile means like that. Round, wrinkled means having some kind of rashes on the seed, not to be a proper round structure here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 here. Now we discussed here why did Mendel used pea plant. First of all, short lifespan. It was a cross pollination as well as a self pollination here. Variable constructing characters. Fourth one, no dormancy state. Dormancy means a state of seed by which in every favorable conditions seed never start to germinate itself, or seed may remain in sterile position, so that's called dormancy state here. The next one is easy to handling. It is easier to handle pea plants here. So these are the consequences by which Mendel used a pea plant here. The characters are height, plant may be a tall or a dwarf short, flower position axial or terminal, flower color purple and white, pod shape inflated contractile, pod color, green, yellow, seed shape, round, wrinkled, seed color, yellow and green with respect to their chromosomal numbers here. For further study or further contribution, we have noted all of these structure here carefully, because these characters used and various time here. And how many characters Mendel used? There are the 7 characters used by Mendel of a pea plant to their study. These are the mental contributions in genetics here. Short intro. And next video we will discuss about some important terms and Mendel laws.